So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Dunkin' Donuts. Just kidding. I wish though. They are fire and I'm addicted. I get Dunkin' Donuts for free actually. How? By using GetUpside. I get cash back on my gas and I use that money to pay for Dunkin'. You can do the same thing. Or if you're not a coffee person, you can get tea. I don't know. Or you can be boring and pay your electric bill with GetUpside, which actually would be pretty cool. Today's video, guys, we're talking about how Uber drivers can now set their own rates. Or no, sorry. Sorry, there's two main things. But so Uber drivers can now set their own rates in California. They can control the surge pricing. Pretty nuts. But they can also get 100% commission on, or 0%, yeah, full commission on rides, which is actually nuts. But there's a catch. I want to keep this as short as possible. I want to tell you this from, as a friend, standpoint. Basically, Uber's being smart here. There's a lot of things going on. Uber didn't do this, and they're not losing money on this. There's a catch. I'm gonna sync on my phone, I'm gonna open up my app and show you how it works, right? So basically this is happening in California because there's a law that got passed that basically is forcing, can't even use that word anymore. They're trying to make Uber and Lyft reclassify all their drivers as employees, all of us as employees, which doesn't really make sense. They didn't really give any special parameters. The only thing is that they said they need to give drivers benefits and a set wage and workers' rights, like rights to unionize, medical benefits, all that stuff. However, what they failed to do was put the word rideshare drivers in that law. So Uber and Lyft just went right back, or at least Uber did, and said, well, that law doesn't apply to us. And the government was like, well, shoot. Okay, I guess, you're just gonna get sued a lot. So they started getting sued a lot. Then the government was like, hold up, let's get a regulatory agency on it. Regulatory agency that specializes in saying whether or not a law applies to specific companies. They said, the government, I'm sure, hired them to say, okay, look, can you regulate and say whether or not this law, AB 5, Assembly Bill 5, applies to Uber and Lyft to make their drivers employees? The agency said yes, it does. Now Uber and Lyft, well, at least Uber, is trying to compromise and say, trying to change. They've been wanting to compromise. They don't want to give drivers, make them employees. They want to change the structure of what an independent contractor is, what an employee is for gig workers. And they kind of are right. Like, it would be pretty dang hard to make drivers employees. For Uber, it would cost them a lot of money because they need to pay taxes, and the government basically wants their take of the pay. If you're a company and you're paying somebody out as an independent contractor, it's just a 100% tax write-off. It's a tax deduction. But if they're an employee, you need to pay taxes on their salaries and provide benefits, medical benefits, insurance. It's expensive. And the turnover rates are just way too high. However, so what Uber decided to do, by the way, this is all relevant, guys. If you don't know this part of the story, it doesn't make any sense. So Uber, so part of the language within the independent contractors in the law is that, well, an independent contractor should be able to set their own rates and get full commission. So what did Uber do? They changed their app so that drivers can now set their own rates and get full commission. So now they can say, well, look, you know, drivers are independent, really truly are independent now. But there is a catch. Look at this, guys. Let me open this up. There's a catch. They're giving drivers 100% commission on the rides, but drivers have to buy a driver pass, drive pass for ride requests. It's not even for rides. So you buy ride requests that are commission free, or full commission, whatever you want to call it. You keep, rider pays 20 bucks, driver keeps 20 bucks. Good job, Dylan. Here we go. I'm gonna click on my mail app in 3, 2, 1, click. This is it. Drive pass, additional way to earn. Get 0% service fees. You have 7 days to get trip requests. Yeah, it's called Drive Pass. Drive Pass is another step we're taking to protect your access to independent work. Here we go. Yep. See? That's the language they're using. They're trying to make drivers not become employees, so they're doing all these weird things. So you can buy a Drive Pass. You have 7 days to use it, and you don't need to pay the 25% service fee. Here's the catch. You need to buy 10 requests for 30 bucks. I'm gonna use that number, not the $7 one, but the 31, because if you go up here, well, yeah, it says that's the introductory offer. It's 7 bucks, but this is the example they gave you for what it would normally cost. So 30 bucks for 10 ride requests. So if you deny a request, or let's say you get a ride request that was, I don't know, a $4 ride, and let me just go into my app and show you what I earned the other day. You might be surprised. Let's say I used a drive pass for these rides. Can I go back to last week? Can I not see trips? Here we go. Look at these rides. $5, $4, $4 rides. I would have lost money on this, but why? Because I'm paying $3 per ride request, and I actually did deny one ride because it was whatever, I didn't want it. But I would have only netted $1 on my first ride, $1.87 on my second ride, and $2.32 if I would have, you know, gone with this thing that they're going 10 requests for 30 bucks. Let's see if I can actually buy a drive pass and see, because it is a new week now. How do I buy a freaking tap to see details? I'm tapping, bro. You can't see me, but I'm tapping. Tap, tap, tap. It's not even working. Uber app sucks. Tap, tap. Bro. Well, I guess it's broken. But what you can do here, oh, I got my Uber deliveries on, finally. Awesome, I got that turned on. I'm gonna do an Uber Eats video soon. Stay tuned, guys. Well, they just turned off the fare multiplier, so now it's not there anymore. I don't know, this is bonkers. You can't even click on Drive Pass. So that's the catch, is that you can't even use it. So pretty much Uber's scamming all of us. All right, guys, that's all I have for today's video. I'll talk to you guys soon. I just want to update you guys with all this, but all right. Have a great day, guys. Talk to y'all soon. Use the link down below for GetUpside. Bye. To save money on your gas. Bye.